Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by securing experience and raw materials. Get to about 30 levels and create an AFK XP loop or a small mob grinder so you can enchant repeatedly. Next, gather several plain books and a few existing enchanted books via librarian trades or loot. These are your combining fodder. Once done, build an enchantment table with 15 bookshelves and keep lappies on hand. Make a grindstone nearby for quick disenchanting. This saves levels and lets you re-roll bad results later. You should then optimize how you get specific top-tier books. Create multiple librarian villagers and cycle their trades to obtain mending, fortune, or looting. Break and replace the lectern to reset offers. Once you have books, combine them on an anvil strategically. Merge identical enchants to increase levels, keeping an eye on prior work penalty and the 39-level practical cap. Prioritize tool and weapon enchants, and consolidate smaller enchants into single books before applying them to gear. This saves. Finish by applying your final combined books to the equipment you intend to use. Do this at the end so you don't waste prior work penalties. If an anvil cost becomes too high, you can split enchants across 2 items and later combine those items. This reduces the single operation cost. If an enchant goes wrong, use a grindstone to strip it and either re-enchant or trade a librarian for the missing book. One troubleshooting tip: when costs spike, re-evaluate combination order and spread enchants to lower total anvil level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.